Such a gorgeous icy pixie style to start off today's video. And then we move into our next long to short hair transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And like I said, today we are going to be checking out some more long to short hairstyle ideas. Here we have a nice little pixie hair change. This came out so chic and cute. This has such a beautiful rounded bob shape. I absolutely love this haircut. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have another beautiful bob transformation. So the stylist cuts off the hair. She gets a bit of color with this one as well. Oh, she actually went darker with this bob makeover. Oh, this is perfect for like the fall and winter season. Such a gorgeous classic hair change. And then just in time for Halloween, we have this poison ivy inspired hair. And as you guys know, red hair has been trending very heavily this fall season. And she ends up getting her color with these beautiful bangs in the front, a nice wave. And the coloring just looks absolutely amazing. Very nice. Wow, such an absolutely beautiful red hue. Next up, we see another color change. Ooh, money piece highlights. Oh, this is so pretty. I love the contrasting color trend. And then we see someone with long hair versus her beautiful curly taper cut. Wow. Such a difference. Her hair looks so much healthier. This is so pretty. I love the curly pixie styles. They just look so cute and fun. Great style to try out if you do have curly hair. And then we see someone with mid-length hair. hair change. This is so chic and modern. I love the color too because it does look like she went with more of like her natural hair color. Maybe a bit of low lights mixed in there, but this is just beautiful. Very nice. All right, you guys, so I'm going to leave you to check out this last hair transformation.